Hi, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach, showing to you a brand new Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS South Beach Edition. Boat is powered with twin Mercury V8 300 Verados with joystick piloting. Walk in, we have this really nice sun lounger here that opens up to a big sunbed. Large dinette table with wraparound seating. And if we look opposing on the port side, we have a barbecue grill, sink, and refrigerator. There's a lot of seating on this 34-foot boat. This beautiful interior. This is the South Beach Edition, which gives you this unique color combination. Simrad GPS fish finder. Let's take a walk forward. What I love, no steps up. One level right to the bow, deep gunnels. Really nice sun lounger, social area in the front. This cushion here will pop out and you can have opposing seating. Your anchor stem through the hull with controls at the helm and up front. Not only do you get a ton of outside space, but Cruisers has also given you a nice cabin downstairs. The front dinette turns into a berth. Got a little microwave here, all your electrical controls below this cushion. Nice window to the water. And then you do have a cuddy in the back with a single bed, refrigeration, and then a stand-up bed. Any interest in this boat, give me a call, 954-633-2070. This is Justin with MarineMax Pompano, showing you Cruisers 34 GLS outboard.